While reviewing research papers, it is easy to forget which sources are useful, which arguments are repeated, and where the research gap actually appears. Let me show you how to organize those findings using research notes in CitedEvidence. I am already logged into CitedEvidence. From the left side menu, I click Research Notes. This opens the Notes dashboard, where all my saved research notes are displayed as separate cards. To create a new note, I click the orange Create Note button. The note creation window opens. First, I keep the note type set to text note. For the title, I write Literature Review, Research Gap. Now, in the description box, I add the main finding from my reading. Most existing studies focus on treatment adherence in large urban hospitals. Very few studies examine patient barriers in smaller regional clinics. This may be an important research gap for the current study. I can use the formatting tools to make the main research gap bold, create a short list of supporting points, or add a link to an important source. For example, underneath the main note, I can add points to investigate, compare urban and regional healthcare settings, find recent studies from low-resource areas, check whether transport cost affects treatment adherence. Next, I choose a color for this note. I select yellow because this is an idea that still needs more research. Once the note is complete, I click Create. The note now appears on my Research Notes dashboard. I can immediately identify it by its title and yellow color. As I continue reading more papers, I can return to this note and click the pencil icon to edit it. I might add new sources, update the research gap, or remove points that are no longer relevant. The eye icon allows me to open and review the full note without changing anything. When a note becomes outdated or is no longer useful, I can click the trash icon to remove it. I can also create separate notes for different parts of my literature review, such as key theories, important statistics, conflicting findings, research limitations, and sources to cite later. By using clear titles and different colors, I can quickly separate confirmed findings from new ideas and unfinished tasks. So instead of keeping random information in multiple documents, I can save all my literature review insights inside CitedEvidence and manage them from one simple dashboard.